Well, hello again everybody, welcome back. So we have a Union rim cylinder, nothing special, 5 pins and a bitting on the key, not too bad. One problem we have had with this, which has been causing me grief, is this cut in the key here, which is warding, is actually missing. So it's actually missing for about 1 centimetre in, obviously being slapped off at some point. So I can't get it picked if I try and work off there, because the pick keeps on slipping. If I move this a little bit, if we try and get in there, I wouldn't use this pick anyway, but it's forever dropping off and twisting the pick. So we can't get the pins picked. So actually having to pick from the bottom through all the warding, especially towards the back, and even with the 15 thousandths pick, it's very tight and we're rubbing up against the warding the whole time, so having a job to fill the pins. So you see it's all working fine, but let's give this a go. I've tried to get this on camera a couple of times. Too much swearing and too much memory card used. So we'll give it another go. Let's see if we can get into this. So 1, 2, 3, and 4 is binding. Right, little click out of 4. Half-hearted click out of 5. Right, 1 wasn't really binding. We did get a tiny little click when it went up. Nothing on 2. 3's binding. And we got sort of a half-hearted click off 3. 1 came down. Let's see if that'll... No. 3, 4. If we get any more out of 5, got a bit of counter rotation there. And we got a sort of a click, but right, 1 feels like it's binding a bit more. We've got a little click. 2, 3. Right, a nice click out of 3 and a tiny turn on the core. One, 2, doesn't want to go anywhere. 4 and 5. Right, so 1 definitely feels set, 2 feels set. Right, just got a bit more out of 3 and a load of stuff dropped. I think we've lost it completely there. Let the tension off a little bit and there it goes and opens. Would you believe it? Right, that took far too long. But let's have a quick butcher, see what we can find inside it. So Right, so luckily enough we got the key. Of course we need to get this lined up there. Pair of pliers on. Get the clip out. That's it. Key in. A little bit of a turn. Follower. So there we go. So we've got standard with a tapered top by the looks of it. Same in 2 and in 3, 4 and 5. So just have a, I don't know if you can actually see that, the tapered top on all of them, which makes it a lot easier to overset, which is obviously what I'd done and why. Just letting off that tension finally opened it. Right, let's see what we've got inside. Oh, right, that's a standard. 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 And standard. So nothing special there. Let's just check the core. Nothing special there. So like I said, nothing special on the lock at all, but that warding just made it quite tricky to pick, and I think especially with having those tapered key pins. So anyway, that's another one out of the way. Thanks for watching. See you again soon. Bye.